Hey videographers! Today, we're exploring the best video cameras of 2024. Whether you're capturing professional footage or recording your adventures, these top picks offer stunning video quality, advanced features, and ease of use. Let's dive into the best video cameras to elevate your filming experience. Sony Alpha FX3 ILME FX3. Known for being the smallest and lightest model in the cinema line, the FX3 is also the only one without a cage thanks to its unique design. It has a 10.2 MP Full-frame Exmor R CMOS sensor with backside illumination that offers excellent movie quality, sensitivity, and speed. With a quick readout speed that lessens rolling shutter, the sensor's color filter array improves color reproduction accuracy while providing up to 15+ stops of dynamic range 3 and significantly reducing noise for incredibly clear and crisp images. It features high processing performance from image capture through all phases of signal processing, sharing the same Bion's XR system architecture as the FX6. Apart from that, the 10.21 key sensor has full pixel readout and is optimized for 4K. Compared to smaller Super 35 sensors, the full-frame sensor has a larger light gathering area. Also, because it has fewer pixels than higher pixel count full-frame sensors, each pixel is larger, resulting in incredible low-light performance with a high signal-to-noise ratio. Nevertheless, it is the smallest cinema line camera, with a design that is cage-free and compact, with 1/420 mounting points, a top handle with XLR TRS inputs, and continuous recording made possible by a cooling fan for an efficient heat sink and in-body image stabilization with active mode for steady handheld shooting. Fujifilm X-H2S. With its fastest shutter speed, the Fujifilm X-H2S is designed for professional and amateur sports and wildlife photographers who need to capture action-packed moments. Together with its in-body image stabilization to keep those large telephoto lenses even steadier, the X-H2S can shoot at 40 frames per second with little to no screen blackout. The X-H2S is not only a still camera, though. It can record 6K video, or 4K, at up to 120p. Other features include an electronic viewfinder with 5.76 million dots and a flip-out vari-angle screen. I adore APS-C sensor's 1.5x crop factor because it allows me to get a little closer to the action with smaller optics. I adore APS-C sensor's 1.5x crop factor because it allows me to get a little closer to the action with smaller optics. Fujifilm also boasts a well-stocked lens collection with choices ranging from wide to tele, as well as a selection of zooms and primes, so you're covered no matter what or how you like to shoot. The X-H2S body is designed to be handled professionally as well. It has a large, thick grip that is convenient to grip when using larger lenses. Additionally, the X-H2S features a convenient button and dial layout for fast controls. It does not feature any of the outdated dials from Fuji's cooler cameras. Panasonic Lumix S5 IIX. Though Panasonic has long been known for producing high-quality videos, I've never been able to put my faith in its antiquated autofocus system. With the addition of Phase Detect AF to its already impressive list of cinema and video features, the S5 IIX completely changed that. 6.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, open gate capture, SSD recording, 10-bit 4.2.2, all-eye long-GoP, HDMI RAW output, Apple ProRes RAW, Blackmagic B-RAW, live streaming, and more. Whether you're a committed filmmaker or a serious content creator, this is just a videographer's dream. For the sole reason that Panasonic doesn't think there is enough demand for it, 8K video is the only thing that is truly lacking from its video toolkit. However, a tally light, which is noticeably lacking from the camera, is something that any video producer would undoubtedly demand. Although I wouldn't pick the S5 IIX over other stills cameras, I do like that it has an electronic shutter that operates at 30 frames per second, a healthy 200-frame RAW plus JPEG buffer, and a 96 high-resolution mode that allows you to pixel shift supersize photos. Canon EOS R5C. EOS R5C is two very powerful cameras in one. Its 45-megapixel output, excellent AF capabilities, high ISO performance, and electronic shutter allow you to capture full-res RAW images at 20 frames per second for still images. XF AVC with 10-bit 4.2.2 files, oversampled 4K at 120 frames per second, and three 12-bit Cinema RAW light footage options are among its standout video features. It can also record 8K video at 30p, which can be converted to 60p with a suitable external power supply. The EOS R5C's EOS RF mount allows it to be used with an increasing number of RF lenses, as well as a wide variety of EOS EF and cinema lenses with the use of an adapter. The advanced 5-axis electronic eyes, which is also available with non-stabilized cinema lenses, is a feature that allows for steady, fluid handheld footage, even though the EOS R5C lacks IBIS. In December 2023, Canon finally released a firmware update that included new features like support for the recently released RF 24-105mm f2.8 and RF Mount Cinema Prime lenses. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you enjoy capturing unique moments on film, the best video camera is necessary, but a good smartphone will also work just fine. Therefore, you should look for features like sensor size, resolution, high frame rates, optical image stabilization, OIS, a powerful chipset, a dedicated image processing chip, manual controls, and so on if you're looking for a dependable smartphone primarily for video recording. In light of all of this, we come up with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It can record 8K video at up to 30 frames per second. It has a number of features for recording videos, including 10-bit HDR, OIS, portrait photography, dual recording using the front and rear cameras simultaneously, autofocus while recording, 60 frames per second 4K video recording using a selfie camera, and more. Also, here the S24 Ultra can convert regular 24 frames per second HD videos into fluid 60 frames per second UHD slow-motion clips thanks to AI frame rate conversion technology. For even more dramatic effects, it can even force 240 frames per second full HD video into a dramatic 120 frames per second UHD slow motion. GoPro Hero Black. The best GoPro available for purchase is the Hero 12 Black. Even though it hasn't changed all that much from the Hero 11, it still costs less, which we were pleased to see considering the modest performance increase. Despite sharing the same resolution sensor, the Hero 12's video performance has been improved over the Hero 11's. It records 5.3K 60p video as opposed to the Hero 11's 5K 30p for smoother, higher resolution footage. Now that Bluetooth headphones are supported, you can record clear audio with your wireless earbuds without a separate microphone. The design, screens, and dimensions are all the same, as is the water resistance. Once more, horizontal and image stabilization remain unaltered. However, considering how great they were in the Hero 11, this is not a bad thing. All things considered, the GoPro Hero 12 Black concentrates on what really matters and offers amazing dynamic range, excellent stabilization, and video performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech advice. And as usual, feel free to post any questions or recommendations in the comments section. Until the next time, happy tech shopping!